Look at this ad. It looks entirely authentic, but it was created from start to finish by an AI agent in exactly 10 minutes without any human intervention. We are going to build a fully automated local workspace on your machine. Once set up, this agent independently handles the script writing, casting, and video rendering processes on its own. This diagram shows the 4 specific tools you need to connect together to build the system: a Claude Pro account, an Anthropic API key, the CoWork desktop application, and an Arcads Pro account. By hosting the agent locally and letting it communicate directly with these platforms, you eliminate the friction of manually copying and pasting prompts all day. The machine executes the production cycle, allowing you to focus purely on the strategy behind your marketing. Step 1 is giving the AI the ability to actually operate your desktop environment. You do this by enabling browser use inside Claude and generating your Anthropic API keys. Next, you need to set up your Arcads public API credentials. Giving the agent these permissions allows it to take its finished scripts and render them out as final video files. This diagram shows the strict folder architecture needed inside CoWork. First, you create a .env file, securely storing the API credentials for safe access. Finally, a text document called Claude.md acts as the persistent operating manual, telling the agent exactly how to behave every session. If you prompt the system and the file directory fails to generate, go into your CoWork settings immediately. You need to verify that file access is fully enabled, otherwise the agent is blocked from writing data to your hard drive. A scattered workspace causes an AI to lose context rapidly. Organizing your project into this rigid, static folder structure ensures the agent always knows exactly where its instructions live and where to save its outputs during multi-step tasks. With the workspace built, the agent needs clear direction. You supply this by providing a highly specific 6-part product brief, which gives the AI the context it requires to avoid writing generic copy. The first section establishes the baseline. You input the product name, what it does, the pricing structure, and the website to buy it. The next section defines the target demographic. You outline exactly who these people are and clearly articulate the core problem they are trying to solve. This interface highlights a crucial step. You must copy and paste verbatim customer reviews and complaints directly into the brief to ground the agent's vocabulary. Then you define the audience awareness level, whether they are a cold, warm, or retargeted audience, and set the output volume to generate 20 distinct ad variations for the batch. Before you move forward, run a quick verification prompt. You need to ensure this completed brief is actually saved in the exact project folder you built earlier. Most AI defaults to safe, corporate language. Feeding the agent raw, unpolished customer comments forces it to adopt authentic vocabulary, producing marketing hooks that sound genuinely human. Now, you issue the launch command to the CoWork agent. This initiates an autonomous 4-step execution cycle. Step 1 is the initial planning phase. The agent reads the product brief and maps out a distinct strategy against the rules you provided, ensuring it understands the assignment before writing a single word. Step 2 is the scripting phase. The system drafts multiple variations simultaneously, evaluates them against the strategy, and filters the batch down to only the strongest options. Step 3 is the casting phase. The agent sorts through digital actor portraits until it locks onto a face perfectly matching your target demographic. Step 4 is the final generation phase. The agent hands the scripts and casting selections over to the Arcads platform and automatically monitors the render progress until every video is complete. Delegating the execution logic to the CoWork agent completely removes you from the pipeline. You no longer have to manually shuttle text and files between disjointed software tools. When the execution cycle finishes, your local directory is fully populated with 20 ready-to-publish MP4 video files. If you review the final output, you'll see the visual quality holds up, the lip sync is clean, the motion is fluid, and the digital actor precisely reflects the audience profile you requested. This diagram shows a cyclical workflow where an exported MP4 generates data metrics that feed directly back into your Claude.md core. To start this loop, you run the generated ads for 48 hours to collect live performance data. You extract the exact quantitative data points, your CPM, click-through rate, and cost per result, and inject them back into the Claude.md file. This updates the agent on which hooks and actors actually held attention. This setup automates your workflow, but its true value is the feedback loop. By returning real market data to the instructions, the AI agent stops making assumptions and mathematically improves the effectiveness of its output with every new iteration.